What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day as always. You guys have been killing it with these Grand Cherokee videos, getting a ton of views, ton of likes, way more than any of my Wrangler videos get. So I figured why not hop back into that build. So let's just show you what it's looking like right now. So it's been neglected for sure. I haven't driven it in like 4 months. All the content I've uploaded about it has been previously filmed content. So it's actually hooked up to the charger right now because the battery died. Needs a lot of work. So this is actually going to be a series of us building the Grand Cherokee. I have a ton of things in store for this, like axle swap, way bigger tires, way better suspension, custom rock sliders, custom roof rack, possibly an exo cage, all kinds of stuff. So this will be a series. This will be episode 1 of it. This is going to go over all of our plans, like I said, and every episode from here on out will be a different modification we're doing to it, different part we're adding, problems we run into along the way, showing you guys in and out how we're building this Grand Cherokee. You guys definitely don't want to miss this build, so make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications, and let's just go ahead and jump right into it. So let's go ahead and get started with this very long list of things that are wrong with our Grand Cherokee. As you can see, the list is going to be pretty long. It's looking pretty rough. It's been neglected for sure. I'm going to go over all of our plans with it, what these axles are for, what these tires are for, and just go over the entire plan for this build. I wanted to go off-roading with the Wrangler, so we're going to have to get it pretty built up so it can take on the same trails. So let's get started. Clearly, it's going to need tires and a new lift kit. I'm going probably 6.5-inch long arm kit. These are 37s. These are kind of my end goal tire I want to run. I might go down to 35s just because of the axles we're putting in it, but that's what a 37 looks like. Obviously paint is looking pretty rough. I already sanded down the front. I need to sand off the rest of the bed liner. I was not happy with how it turned out. As you guys can kind of see in the video, it's not a really even coat. There's texture in some spots, less texture in others. So I'm just going to sand it all off, get the rest of it off, primer it, and bed line it. I have a spray on Raptor liner kit. Rear bumper, I actually have one in the garage. So this will probably be episode 2. We'll be installing the rear bumper. I want to do custom rock sliders on this thing. I have some cool plans for that. Custom roof rack. I have storage I'm planning out for the rear to hold all the tools and everything like that. So that way it can support the Wrangler. If I break anything, it'll hold all the tools, parts, things along those lines. There's a ton of things that just like little things that need work. Clearly the hood latch needs replaced. Some little engine tuning up. It's been sitting for a while. New headlights, new front bumper, or I might modify this bumper. I want to trim this out. I think it looks way cleaner without that, so I have to relocate some stuff there. But besides that, let's go ahead and hop into the axles. So these are actually the axles out of the Wrangler. If you guys saw our previous video, we did an axle swap in our Wrangler. So I have a Curry Rock Jock 44 front in this. And then in the rear, we went with a Curry Rock Jock 60, so we can run these 40-inch tires. So that means I have a spare set of Wrangler axles with relatively low miles, and I know everything inside of them works. However, we are going to tear them down. So this is the rear Dana 44 and the front Dana 30. I know everybody hates the Dana 30, but I already ran 37s on it. It held up fine, so I think 35s, 37s will be all right. My plan is to fully truss both axles, and then we're going to sleeve, gusset, truss, basically anything you can do to the axle to beef it up. That way we don't have to worry about it too much. I want to re-gear. These currently have 373 gears in it. I probably want to go to 410 or 488s, depending on which size tire I go with. I'll probably do 488s. I want a locker in the rear. I do not want to lock the front axle just because it's Dana 30 and I don't feel like replacing it or breaking it on the trails. So that's basically our plan with this Jeep. Like I said, guys, this will be a series. Next video, we'll probably be installing the rear bumper or quarter panel armor, or a couple of the other parts I have laying around. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all of our videos on this build. And comment down below what you guys think we should do with this Jeep. Any ideas you guys have, anything you guys might want to see us do to the Jeep. Comment some links to some websites for steering, because that's one thing I have been looking into. And I can't really find a ton of options for, besides like the basic 3 that everybody runs. So let me know down in the captions what you guys want to see, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.